I were to put this question in front of you, that is or would Jazz consider transitioning to a remote working model after things have normalized, what would your answer be? I know it's too early to ask, and I know it's a very like idealistic question to ask. Again, like I completely understand the blacks and the whites and the grays, but do you think it's a possibility? Do you think it's gonna work for the company?
Yeah. Halima, like I earlier mentioned, I think Jazz is ahead of most of the organizations in Pakistan. It is, quite progressive, and there's a lot of introspection always going on within Jazz as to how we can, be on a path of continuous improvement, adopt the latest and the greatest technologies to be more efficient and more customer centric, more agile. Like I mentioned earlier, we already had a policy of remote working in play within Jazz before the pandemic struck. In the last few months, we have learned that there is a lot more that can be effectively done remotely. More people are now comfortable working remotely on tasks which do not really require an in-person presence. We have already, identified jobs which can be done almost 100% out of office. And then there are because of, the realities of the economy that we work in, or the market that we work in, where majority of people still want to go out and buy, the prepaid credit over the counter instead of just buying it online. So we have to serve the market, we have to service the market, we have to make sure that the retailers always have, the required supply of our products and services to sell to the customers. Within those realities, we have to, make sure that the business does not suffer. So the field staff, or our colleagues who are in the field, they continue to be in the field. They continue to develop and engage with the retail partners. And then we have a lot of customers on within the government as well as large organizations. Unfortunately, not all of our customers are on the same page or at the same pace of adopting remote working as we are, right? And in order to continue to serve them in a way which is meaningful to them, we still have to maintain, our relationship with them in face-to-face meetings. We still have to go out and meet with them, and understand their needs, and come up with solutions for them. So that is there. Plus, I talked about how collaboration, or co-creation, ideation, innovation, all of these things, um, for example, somebody like me also would rather sit with the team once a month and look at some of the stickier problems or challenges that we are faced with, and come up with solutions in a more in-person kind of a setting. So it's, I would say it is a continuum. I can easily say that, a lot of the tasks that were previously done in person are now done remotely. If you go to our offices these days, there are very few people, because people are mostly in the field or they're working from home. We have equipped all the colleagues, with the right connectivity. They all have laptops to connect from. All our systems and data reside in the cloud, so they don't have to come to the office to access, the required resources to do their work effectively. So it has been, a quick transition. But to say that we will completely pull the plug from, a physical office, I don't see that happening anytime soon. And I don't think that is the aspired state even, because we have to make sure that we use and leverage all the channels that help us build our business profitably and effectively in the market that we are operating in. I
Okay.
hope that answers your question.
Yeah, yes, it does. So I think that's going to be it from my side. I've already taken a lot of your time on a Sunday, and I'm really sorry for this. But Thank you so much for taking out the time.